Hi there. Today we are going to explore something called absolute value. Imagine you're standing on a number line. 0 is the starting point and absolute value tells us how far a number is from 0. It doesn't matter if the number is positive or negative. We only care about the distance. So the absolute value of 5 is 5. And the absolute value of minus 5 is also 5. Because both are 5 steps away from 0. So we can use Python to find the absolute value of any number by just writing a little code. So now let's start. So let's take a new file. Okay, then make it full screen. Then let's make a variable. So I'm going to make a variable called x equal to int input enter x. So you will be thinking, what is int input? So int input is a method that we can ask the user. So like I'll show you an example. Okay. So for that we have absolute Python, then save. Okay, so the int input means we can ask the user for a number. If you want a number, we can add their int input, or if you want a text, we can add their input only. So now let's make another variable called y. Then make it int. Just do the same thing for it. Okay, so now we have to check if the number is, if the x is less than or greater than, or if the y is less than or greater than. So now let's put an if statement, x less than y, enter. Then it has to print there the maximum is and close it, comma y. Then close the bracket, then click enter. Now let's put else. Else, put full colon, then click enter. If else, otherwise it has to print there the maximum value is, the maximum is the maximum is x. So wait. So now let's close it and click enter. Now let's run the code. Okay, so now let's add this as 4 and this as 8. So the maximum is 8, which is y. So actually this was a symbol like with so small code. So this was just our today's video. So now let's see in the next video. Bye.